Hey guys, welcome to J-Rock Yoga. I'm Jess, and by the end of this video, you're going to know how to practice Warrior Two or Virabhadrasana Two, one of my favorite poses in all the land. Let's get started. So we're going to start at the top of your mat. We're going to ground down through both feet, nice and strong. Feel all four corners of the feet. Root down through the right foot, and then we're going to step your left foot about 3 feet back behind you. The more you practice this pose and the more flexibility that comes with your yoga practice, you might step it back a little bit more, or if you're beginning, you might step it in a little bit closer. Do what feels right in your body. We're going to take your left foot or your back foot parallel to the back edge of your mat, and we're going to line up the center of your back foot with the back of the right heel. So I could draw a line from the front heel to the center of the back foot, and it would be nice and straight. Good. Now, we're going to draw your right knee forward so it's stacked over the right ankle, but it's not going too far forward. We're just, again, with the straight line here. And if this is too much right away, you can always come out a little bit. Make sure that the right knee doesn't draw in towards the center of your mat. It's very common. We got to build the outer hip stability. And so draw the right knee out towards your right baby toe. And then on an inhale, let's reach your right arm forward and your left arm back. So right away, most of the time, we're a little bit forward in our warriors, even me. So you want to draw like someone's pulling your back arm back, stacking the torso, right? And then squeeze the shoulder blades together on your back, dropping shoulders away from your ears. Finger bones are spread nice and wide here. And now pull the belly in and up, tuck in the low ribs, and imagine that someone's taking your belly button in and up and drawing it around to your left hip. So really opening up through the hips. Gaze is going to be over your right middle finger, nice strong drishti, and lengthen up through your neck. Take a few breaths here, and you've got your Warrior Two. If you want to add a little bit more heat, you can imagine lifting the toes and pulling the feet in towards one another. You're going to feel both inner thighs start to really talk to you here. So there you have it. That's your Warrior Two or Virabhadrasana Two. I hope this video helps you on your yoga journey, wherever you are in it. If you'd like to follow me, you can subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. You can like this video. If you want to follow me on other social medias, my Instagram handle is @jrockyoga and my website is jrockyoga.com. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Comment below with what you'd like to see next, and I will see you soon.